The outbreak began without warning. Within days, an unidentified virus spread rapidly across the globe, overwhelming healthcare systems and pushing hospitals beyond capacity. Emergency rooms overflowed with critically ill patients as ambulances arrived without pause. Doctors and nurses worked tirelessly, struggling to save lives while the number of infections continued to rise.
Every day, more lives are lost. Fear consumes the world. Hope is fading. Will this be the end of humanity?
We have to develop a cure before the virus spreads any further. We need to act now. We don't have much time left.
As the unidentified virus spread across the globe, the World Health Organization mobilized leading scientists, virologists, and medical researchers in an urgent race against time. Research laboratories worked around the clock, testing existing antiviral drugs and developing new treatment candidates. Despite the efforts of the world's brightest minds, no antiviral could stop the outbreak.
The metabolic rate is spiking.
The data doesn't make any sense.
Unusual metabolic signature detected. The infection begins when the unidentified virus attaches to a healthy human cell. After entering the cell, it releases its genetic material and takes control of the cell's machinery. Every cell needs energy to survive. This energy is stored in a molecule called ATP, which is produced through cellular respiration. During this process, glucose is broken down through glycolysis, followed by the Krebs cycle and other reactions in the mitochondria. Producing ATP, the virus depends on this ATP to copy its genetic material, make viral proteins, and assemble new virus particles. As more viruses are produced, the infected cell eventually releases them, allowing them to infect nearby healthy cells. As the infection spreads through tissues and potentially to multiple organs, it drives the progression of the disease.
Greetings, Dr. Raymond. I'm Agent Dashi, will be helping you from now on. So, what's the situation?
We are still looking for an antivirus, but so far we haven't succeeded. However, we have developed a machine to identify infected individuals.
Tell me about it.
Let's start with the input. The input is the patient's blood sample, which is carefully inserted into the machine for testing. This blood sample contains all the information needed for the machine to carry out the analysis. Next is the process. Once the blood sample is received, the machine begins analyzing it using its built-in detection system. During this stage, the machine examines the blood to identify whether there are any foreign substances, unusual particles, or signs of infection. Finally, we have the output. After the analysis is complete, the machine displays the result using a simple color indicator. If any foreign substances or abnormalities are detected in the blood sample, the machine will display a red indicator to signal that further medical attention may be needed. On the other hand, if no foreign substances are found and the blood sample appears normal, the machine will display a green indicator, indicating that the sample is clear.
When conventional medicine failed, Dr. Raymond turned to ONIGIRI. ONIGIRI discovered that the virus survived by hijacking the host cell's energy production through cellular respiration. Instead of attacking the rapidly mutating virus, it identified a way to temporarily block the metabolic pathways the virus depended on, slowing its replication and giving the immune system time to fight back. For the first time since the outbreak began, this gives hope to humanity. The world celebrated Dr. Raymond as a hero, but for the intelligence analyst Agent Dashi, something didn't add up. The cure had come too quickly, too precisely. Something's off. Determined to uncover the mastermind behind the outbreak, every lead left behind by the investigation. While searching through a secured research database, he recovered a set of corrupted backup files and testing of the engineered virus. The truth was far more shocking than he had imagined.
Dr. Raymond. I have something important to tell you, but we can't talk in here. Meet me at 5. I found something. A corrupted file linked to the virus investigation. I saved it on this pen drive. Don't tell anyone about this yet. I'm only telling you because I trust you.
Make sure to don't let anyone know about this.
The mastermind behind the outbreak had been Dr. Raymond all along, desperately attempting to erase the file he's been told to. But in his haste, he accidentally triggered the facility's security alarm. Panic set in. Raymond fled the building, desperately searching for a way out. Security teams quickly surrounded the facility.
The corrupted file was fake. It was a trap. You have been arrested.
I didn't do it.
The virus was defeated. Dr. Raymond was brought to justice. One lesson remained. Even the greatest intelligence can become the deadliest weapon in the wrong hands.